Hi, Scott here. Welcome to My Homeschool Project. Let me give you a bit of background about this My Homeschool Project. So about a year ago, I was looking at my kids' progress through school. They're two girls, 10 and almost 12, towards the end of primary school. And I was not impressed with the education they had. School's a good school, teachers are good, but the level that they achieved so far just wasn't good enough. So I started looking into it a bit more, and I realised that it's obvious, right? If there's 30 kids in the class and they're all being taught a particular subject, how can they all excel? They can't. So I started looking into it and I thought, I need to do something myself. Maybe do some stuff in the evenings or in the weekends to boost their learning. So I looked into it more and I decided that I would invest in a homeschool mentor and coach. And I thought, well, I'm learning all this stuff about being a homeschooling dad. Just to put it in perspective, both my kids have just finished the school year. My eldest will not go to the secondary school. She's going to be homeschooled next year. The youngest, she's going to go to school next year. And we'll see how it goes with the eldest at home. And if it works out well, then maybe we'll have them both homeschooled. So I started implementing things in the evenings and the weekends to boost their learning. Also, I am a marketer. I'm an online marketer. So I have skills to do with the online platforms like YouTube, like websites and blogs, like Instagram, Facebook, blah, blah. And really when they leave school, this seems to be the best opportunity they're going to have. Everything's going digital these days. People are spending much more time online on their computers, and normal jobs are slowly disappearing. So I thought, well, I want to teach my kids this stuff as well. Now, my eldest wanted to do a website. She likes websites, so she's built a website, MyHomeSchoolProject.com. My youngest, she likes doing some origami YouTube videos, so we said, okay, you can do the YouTube channel. And everything that my kids do now, not everything, but we'll get there, will be documented in some way. They'll be doing book reviews. We'll put them up on YouTube and on the blog. They've just learned to do the Rubik's Cube, so there's a YouTube version and there's a blog version. All the resources that we have, which are free, we're going to slowly list them on the website. So when you come to the website, you can see all the free resources that we found useful, and we recommend that you can go and use, like Khan Academy. It's a huge one, right? And so my kids are going to learn all this stuff. We're going to put it onto YouTube, onto the website, and share it with everyone. So please, this is all to help you. I'm going to do daily updates as well. Not quite daily, but probably 2 or 3 times a week. I'll be doing videos like this or blogs and things like that to just pass on our information and hopefully help you make your life a bit easier, to empower you to give your kids the best possible future. And that's going to be through education, right? Don't rely on the school system. They'll do their best, but it's not going to be good enough. Not if you want your kids to do really well when they leave school. So what I do, if there'll be a place to sign up on the website to my email list, and I'll send out emails, every day or two, and with the links to the blogs and to the YouTube videos and those sort of things to keep you up to date. So if you keep going back to the YouTube channel, keep going back to the website to find out what's going on, I'll just send email blasts out to everyone who's on my list. So please sign up. If you're on YouTube right now, then do the usual subscribe and like thing. That'd be great. And I'll keep you informed with everything that we're learning, and hopefully it'll help you, make your life easier, empower you to give your kids everything that they need to have success in their life, right? Great, fantastic. Thank you, welcome again. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll be speaking to you soon. Do take care.